Wonder why I don't get no sleep at night. It's because of this bullshit right here. Is that the spit bubble too coming out? Fucker. Or they're growling like a bear.
Don't act like you heard me over all that snoring.
Covered in paper wads. Your snoring's annoying. I can't sleep because of you.
He's right back at it, didn't even miss a beat. Is that Lama's breathing?
Spit bubble. Jesus, that was terrifying. This is the type of scary shit I sleep next to. His mouth is doing weird shit. Ew. The fuck was that? Fucking slobber, spit bubble. Ew. Nasty. Like, you see that coming out of his mouth? Laying there looking like a penguin. This is the type of motherfucking shit I have to put up with. This is why I don't get any sleep at night.